जय हिंद फ्रेंड्स, greetings of the day. Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Sundar Sir ki Pathshala. Yes friends, you know well today's topic is active voice, passive voice. Yesterday also I taught you active voice, passive voice. My dear friends, yesterday I taught you present indefinite affirmative sentence. Today I will teach you present indefinite negative sentence. My dear friends, as per what you are guess and take idea, we are talking about negative in the sense we are just refusing for some work, we are just deny some work, we are just replying in not. It is called negative sentence. Suppose I'm just giving you some more examples like, will you eat food? No. Will you go there? No. Will you go somewhere? No. Will you do anything? No. In all these sentences you are replying no. My dear friends, you guess and think idea whenever we reply and get sense of negative in each and every aspect of life, each and every sentence, it is called negative sentence. So without delay, let's start today's class. Yeah, active voice कर्तवाचे. Active voice, the subject do every work. Active voice in the sense the person doer, someone is doer in the sense someone person like a Ram is eating food, Ram does not eat food, Ram does not go to market, Ram does not fly a kite, Ram does not repair a car. That examples are showing Ram is everything, Ram is the superpower person in this sentence. Ram is doing, Ram is the actor, Ram is the doer in that sentence. And now we talk about the passive voice. Passive in the sense खाना राम के द्वारा बनाया जाता है, या गाड़ी राम के द्वारा ठीक कराई जाती है, पतंग राम के द्वारा उड़ाई जाती है, या जो भी है झाड़ू राम के द्वारा लगाई जाती है. इन दैट सेंटेंस वी आर जस्ट फोकस एंड प्रेशराइज टू द ऑब्जेक्ट. इसमें ऑब्जेक्ट को महत्व दिया जाता है. ऑब्जेक्ट सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज होती है. सो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, यू नो वेल today's our topic. I didn't write today active voice, rules and regulation and identities. In yesterday's class I put the identities like at end of the sentence we get ta hai, ti hai, te hai. Rule will be subject plus do that plus not plus V1 plus object. My dear friends, because I didn't write because you know less of place on the board. Okay, क्योंकि I already taught you in sentences classes. मैंने sentence की क्लासों में I already taught you all the sentence, all the structure very clearly, very especially and written with the identities and rules regulation. So today's active voice we just take the do does. We just taking do and does. Do and does always convert into is or am. Whenever we convert into passive voice, if we are talking about the active voice, if we talk about active voice, हम खाना नहीं खाते हैं, we do not eat food. Whenever we convert such sentence into passive voice, do does always convert into is or am. So my dear friends, I hope you understand. Do और does को हम किस में बदल देते हैं? Do और does को हम is or am में बदल देते हैं. And now see where can we use is, where can we use are, and where can we use am. Yes, very clearly I wrote here he, she, it and singular noun. We always use he, she, it and singular noun के साथ is का use. We always use is. We always use is with he, she, it and singular noun. Singular noun in the sense we can indicate one person, one girl, one boy, one female, one male, one anything. Okay, that should be the thing should be one. Whenever we count, we should be get result one. We always use is. Now, what is the use of am? Am always we use with I. Am always use with I. I के साथ किसका यूज होता है? Am का. And next we have are. Remaining all the whatever, जो बच्चे भी जितने भी होते हैं कम वाट में we, they, you, plural noun Ram and Rahim, Sham and Radha, Sundar and Surender, Okay, Mohit and Rohit, whatever, you can understand and you can feel whenever we talk about two or more than two person, two things, and two other aspect of life, that is called plural noun. If we talk about singular noun like he, she, it, and singular noun Ram, Sham, Rahim, Ram, comma Sham, comma Rahim, whatever, we are just talking about one. If we talk about one, it is called singular noun, and M is used with I. M is always used with I. So let's start first example. She does not write a letter. My dear friends, you know, sorry, he does not write a letter. वह एक पत्र नहीं लिखता है, वह पत्र नहीं लिखता है. We are getting here does not and does not. We after does not, before does not, we are looking here subjects. What is the subject? He always convert, you know, he, she, it and singular noun. We always use is. तो ही सी इट के साथ हम क्या लगाते हैं दोस्तों? ही सी इट के साथ हम लगाते हैं इज. क्या लगाते हैं? इज. सो डज विल कन्वर्ट इनटू इज. डज विल कन्वर्ट और चेंज इनटू इज. सो फर्स्ट अपॉन विल पुट object. Object in the sense whenever we start any sentence or create in any sentence in passive voice, that sentence begin from, that sentence start from, that sentence start from object. Whenever we convert into पैसिव वॉइस, अगर एक्टिव वॉइस से सेंटेंस की शुरुआत करते हैं तो सब्जेक्ट पहले आता है. पैसिव वॉइस से सेंटेंस की शुरुआत करते हैं तो सबसे पहले हमारे पास जो आता है वो आता है ऑब्जेक्ट. आफ्टर ऑब्जेक्ट वी विल यूज हेल्पिंग वर्ब. व्हाट इज हेल्पिंग वर्ब इन दिस सेंटेंस? इन दिस सेंटेंस हेल्पिंग वर्ब विल बी ही, सी, इट. He, she, it, and after that we are talking about not, and we third form of the man verb. Third form of the man verb. After that we will use by and subject. Okay, so for your understanding power I am just writing here like, you know, object plus is, are, am plus not plus v3 plus by plus subject. Okay, and full stop. Okay, yeah my dear friends. Okay, if you understand, please give thumbs up, raise your hand, give thumbs up, and okay, press the like button also. So I'll, you know, be happy and enjoy the class. Okay, so he does not write a letter. First of all we have to identify what is the object. In this sentence the object is a letter, so we will start from a letter. A letter. Now a letter. After that we are using here a letter. Object is a letter. Now a letter in the sense we are talking about the one letter, and one we are talking about one in the sense singular noun, and always singular noun. With always singular noun we always use is. Okay, so a letter is. After that not. A letter is not. Now v3 in the sense man verb के third form. Now write, wrote, written. A letter is not written. A letter is not written by. A letter is not written by him. He will convert it into him. Okay, so a letter is not written by him, यानी एक लेटर उसके द्वारा नहीं लिखा जाता है. She does not write a letter, वह पत्र नहीं लिखता है, तो a letter is not written by him. एक लेटर उसके द्वारा नहीं लिखा जाता. Next sentence, she does not fly a kite. My dear friends, you know she does not fly a kite. Whenever she reply कि वह एक पतंग नहीं उड़ा सकती, और अपन बात कर सकते हैं कि वह एक पतंग नहीं उड़ा सकती. तो in this sentence we are getting here what? A kite. A kite is the object. A kite, from a kite, this sentence from a kite object. Okay, so passive voice, whenever we convert and structure and restructure in passive voice, that time we will use first upon object. And what is the object in this sentence? The object will be a kite. The object will be a kite. So first upon we will write, this is the one, this is the two. A kite. Now we are talking about the a kite in the sense first one thing. Now always one thing we use here, a kite is not Now udana, fly, flew, flown. A kite is not flown. A kite is not flown by her. Why putting here her? Because we are talking about a girl, we are talking about any female. If we talk about a female, we always use here her. She always use she convert into her. A kite is not flown by her. एक पतंग उसके द्वारा नहीं उड़ाई जा सकती. A kite is not flown by her. A kite is not flown by her. Next, you do not go to school daily. आप रोज स्कूल नहीं जाते हैं. My dear friends, we are talking about the school. You do not go to school daily. Okay, so do not will change into ijaram. Do not will change into ijaram. So you do not go to school daily. Now, example number third, like that. So first of all, we have to identify here what is this object. The object is here school. Object is here school. You do not go to school. So school, the school, the school is not. The school is not. Now third form of the main verb, go, jana, go, went, gone. The school is not gone by. The school does not gone daily by you. You always you change into you. So first upon what will you put? You, the school is not gone by. The school is not gone daily by you. My dear friends, in the formula, yesterday I wrote here is by you. The school is not gone by you daily. This daily you can put after you, और पहले भी इसमें आप लगा सकते हो. The school is not gone. The school is not gone by you daily. या school does not gone daily by you. आप स्कूल उसके द्वारा रोज नहीं जाया जाता. स्कूल उसके द्वारा रोज नहीं जाया जाता. You do not go to school daily. आप रोज स्कूल नहीं जाते हो. The school is not gone daily by you. आपके द्वारा रोज स्कूल नहीं जाया जाता. आपके द्वारा रोज स्कूल नहीं जाया जाता. आपके द्वारा रोज कोचिंग नहीं जाया जाता. यानी कोचिंग आपके द्वारा रोज नहीं जाया जाता. You try to understand. You just listen very carefully, analyze, think, discuss, and what exactly I want to understand you. Just focus on my lecture. You understand well, I hope. Now, example number 4. We do not cook food. My dear friends, in this sentence, you will find what is the object. First upon, we have to identify the object. We is the subject, do is the helping verb, not is giving in meaning of negative, and cook is the verb, and we have remaining here food. Food is here object. Whenever we convert into passive voice always start from object. So first upon, you will use here food. What will you use? Food. Okay, so example number 4, the food. If we are talking about food is the singular noun, the food is not, the food is not cooked, the food is not cooked by us. And my dear friends, you do not forget to change it into us. We always change into us. You become similar. You always convert, you always remain in you, and she convert into her, he convert into him. Okay. Now the food is not cooked by us. हमारे द्वारा या खाना हमारे द्वारा नहीं बनाया जाता है. खाना हमारे द्वारा नहीं बनाया जाता है. They do not eat food. They do not. First upon, you have to understand meaning of this sentence. What is the meaning of this sentence? They do not eat food in the sense they do not eat food means they people not eat. They people not eat, they people do not eat food. So इसका जैसे आप करेंगे they do not eat food in the sense वो कुछ खाना नहीं खाते हैं. they do not eat food in the sense वे खाना नहीं खाते हैं. तो how will you convert into sentence? First upon we'll get here object. What is the object in this sentence? Object will be here food. Okay, now this sentence will start from object. The food is not eat खाना. The food is not eaten. The food is not eaten by them. They will change in them. They will change into them. They will change into them. Okay, we change into us, and you change into you, and she change into her, and he change into him. I hope you understand. If you understand, please like, share, subscribe the channel, and get energy and give power us also, so that we provide you best to best content for your bright future, for your well future. My dear friends, next is Ram and Shyam do not drink juice. Ram and Shyam do not drink juice. First of all, we have to recognize in this sentence what is the object. Ram and Shyam here is the subject, and do is helping verb, not is intense, not is giving meaning of not, and drink in the sense main verb, first form of the main verb, and juice, what is juice? Juice is the object. So we have to identify and recognize first of all objects, finally we get here juice. Okay, so juice is not drunk. Juice is not drunk by Ram and Shyam. See, juice is not drunk by Ram and Shyam. जूस राम और श्याम के द्वारा नहीं पिया जाता है. जूस राम एंड श्याम के द्वारा नहीं पिया जाता है. राम के द्वारा पानी नहीं पिया जाता. आप व्हाट विल यू राइट? वाटर इज नॉट ड्रंक बाय राम. मैं एप्पल नहीं खाता हूं. एन एप्पल इज नॉट ईटन बाय मी. An apple is not eaten by me in the sense मेरे द्वारा एप्पल नहीं खाई जाती है. मीनिंग ऑफ दिस सेंटेंस यानी मैं एप्पल नहीं खाता हूं. नेक्स्ट इज मिस्टर सुंदर डज नॉट ईट एन एप्पल. लेट्स टेक वन एग्जांपल. I'll just give before this example. An example is we got the same example. My dear friends, Mr. Sundar, you know, dear friends, my name is also Sundar. You are watching the Sundar Sir's Pathshala, and thank you so much from my heart. You are giving me response. You are watching my video regularly. Because of your help, because of your support, because you cooperate, somehow I'm getting energy. Somehow I'm getting some power. And I'm just trying to grow in my life slowly, and I'm just getting my aim. I'm getting my goal, and I want to help to society. I want to help to the student who does not know the English. I want to serve the country because of this. I want to help each and everyone. I want to increase their skills. I want to increase their English knowledge. I want to become them knowledgeable, informative, and energetic person, because nowadays English needs is very much in the society. If you want to increase your social status, If you want to increase your respect, if you want to highlight your way of talking, and if you want to increase your everything, national or international news you want to read, you want to connecting each and everyone in this world, for that anyhow condition you need to increase your knowledge, increase your things, and focus on your English. English is the must and mandatory things to learn something more and connectivity national to international, India, Japan, Russia, China, USA, Canada, anyhow condition where you want to connect to the people, you need to know the English. If you do not know the English, you can stay here only, like that your local areas. So my dear friends, next example, Mr. Sundar does not eat an apple. An apple, so what will you write? An apple is not, an apple is not eaten. An apple is not eaten by Mr. Sundar. An apple is not eaten by Mr. Sundar. An apple is not eaten by Mr. Sundar. अब सुंदर की जगह you can change any other aspect of subject you can use. Okay. Next, he does not play hockey football. He does not play hockey football. So how will you convert into the hockey or hockey, and direct you can put hockey and football. Hockey and football. Hockey and football are not played by hockey and played by him. See, we are talking here too, hockey and football. There are two things we always use with the two things. Plural noun always use are. With the plural noun we always use are. Hockey and football are not played by him. See, we have to use here, we forgot to use here played. Okay, so hockey and football are not played by him. Next, she does not teach to the student. She does not teach to the student. वो students को नहीं पढ़ाती है. So what will you write? The student. The students are not taught by her. विद्यार्थियों को उसके द्वारा नहीं पढ़ाया जाता है. The student are the, see my dear friends, we put here as. If we put here as, it become plural noun, and we always use plural noun are. The students are not taught. Taught in the sense you know well, पढ़ाना. Taught in the sense पढ़ाना. TAUGST. The students are not taught by her. Okay. Next example, they do not drive a car. They do not drive a car. Whenever we make this sentence, first of all you have to identify what is the object in this sentence. A car is not, third form of the main verb, drive, drove, driven. A car is not driven. A car is not driven by them. A car is not driven by them. Okay. See, once again, a letter is not written by him. एक पत्र उसके द्वारा नहीं लिखा जाता. A kite is not flown by her. एक पतंग उसके द्वारा नहीं उड़ाई जाती है. The school is not gone daily. The school is not gone by you daily. इसको बेटा, इसको आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. कैसे? By you daily. वो भी ठीक था, ये भी ठीक है. The school is not gone by you daily. आपके द्वारा स्कूल रोज नहीं जाया जाता है. The food is not cooked by us. यानी उसके द्वारा भोजन नहीं पकाया जाता है। द फूड इज नॉट, भोजन नहीं पकाया जाता। द फूड इज नॉट कुक्ड बाय अस, द फूड इज नॉट ईटन बाय देम, उसके द्वारा खाना नहीं खाया जाता। जूस इज नॉट ड्रंक बाय राम एंड श्याम, जूस इज नॉट ड्रंक बाय राम एंड श्याम, जूस राम और श्याम के द्वारा नहीं पिया जाता है। एंड एप्पल इज नॉट ईटन बाय मिस्टर सुंदर, मिस्टर सुंदर के द्वारा एप्पल नहीं खाई जाती है। हॉकी एंड फुटबॉल आर नॉट प्लेड बाय हिम, हॉकी और फुटबॉल उसके द्वारा नहीं खेला जाता। द स्टूडेंट आर नॉट टॉट बाय हर, स्टूडेंट उसके द्वारा नहीं पढ़ाया जाता। ए कार इज नॉट ड्राइवन बाय देम, एक कार उसके द्वारा नहीं चलाई जाती। ओके, तो लगे रहिए लाइफ में, एक एक मिनट को, एक एक क्षण को यूटिलाइज कीजिए, वेस्ट मत कीजिए। इफ यू वेस्ट योर टाइम, दैट टाइम विल वेस्ट योर फ्यूचर। आपको अगर अपना सोशल रेस्पेक्ट बढ़ाना है, सोशल स्टेटस बढ़ाना है समाज के अंदर, इफ यू वांट टू ग्रो, इफ यू वांट टू इंक्रीज समवेयर, आपको यू हैव टू इंक्रीज योर गोल एंड यू जस्ट फील योरसेल्फ, कीप योर आईज ओपन, कीप योर ear open, keep your mind open and focus on your goal. Think about your goal, you restructure your goal, redesign your dream, re-goal, restructure and replan about your goal, and just write, maintain a diary and just focus and utilize every and each moment. Okay, so over the today's we just let's view over the class today and fit and fine रहिए, be happy, enjoy the life. जय हिंद, जय भारत।